Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make a really quick video revealing a very lucrative niche for those of you who are interested in making passive income with the business model Amazon KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing. We actually had a free course that we were uploading for I think the past week now, and we uploaded the last video in the free course just a few days ago. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. That course is 100% free. It's on the channel, and we worked really hard on it for you guys. So we do hope that you did take some time to look at it. Thank you so much to those of you who have hopped on, who have subscribed, and who have been enjoying the content. We really appreciate it. We're actually on our journey to 1K, to 1,000 subscribers. So if you have not already done it, please hit that subscribe button. Getting your first 1K on YouTube is the biggest milestone in a lot of ways. They say it's the hardest 1,000 to get. So if you do want to be a part of the fam, and if you do want to help us out, we really appreciate it. And we'll do something special for you guys too. For that 1,000th subscriber, we'll have to do something really special on the channel. But anyways, yeah, subscribe. And once you do that, let's hop right into the video. So like I said, it's already February 10th. I didn't want the 14th to pass before getting this video out because this is a Valentine's Day themed book idea. A lot of you guys struggle with book ideas, coming up with books to create, to make money. And we always say each holiday is a keyword. So sure enough, Valentine's Day is also a keyword. These are, very strange times that we're in. People are locked down. People can't really go out to even see each other. A lot of places are closed. So a lot of people are going to be indoors. So people are buying things online, especially romantic things that are unique gifts. And something that's unique are books, especially these books that I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to hop over to Amazon.com and show you guys some awesome Valentine's Day book ideas. When I typed in Valentine's Day fill in the blanks, you can see that this search actually has over 10K results, which is awesome. We want people to be creating books in these niches because that means that there's a demand for them, right? So just going down the page, you can see that people are writing books meant for loved ones, meant for best friends. There's prompt books, even books for family members. Actually, I went to this one, so I'm going to show you really quick. I went to this book here, and it's called What I Blank About You, the Unconventional and Irrelevant Fill-in-the-Blank Book for Your Loved One. And when I look inside, it's pretty easy. You can replicate a similar book. Remember, don't copy people, but just to get ideas of what are in these books that are doing well, you can just go to the Look Inside feature and check them out. So you can see that they're prompt pages with fill-in-the-blank lines. And when people buy them, they can customize them. So they're kind of DIY books, they're customizable books, they're really cute ideas. I feel blank when you blank. Just think of things, think of sentences, and you can put them in a book, create a beautiful cover, or you can get a cover hired out if you're not really into graphic design, if you don't know how to do it. And these books can literally be ready in a few days and be put out in time for Valentine's Day. So I thought that was really cool. And let's keep searching. Again, the same idea. This one is for siblings. So, not everybody has a Valentine's, and that's okay. Even family members, even, gifts for moms, gifts for dads for Valentine's Day, gifts for brothers and sisters, gifts for friends. These are times where people just want to be able to reach out to each other, because remember, people aren't really able to see each other, right? People don't always live together. People want any reason, basically, to be able to communicate with loved ones. And so even books for animals, I'm sure would be really cute. If you created a book that was like a Valentine's Day book for pets, people would jump all over that. People are crazy about their pets. They're part of their family too. So yeah, just be creative, guys. Here's another cool one. It's a Sudoku puzzle book. And it's just fun things to do. Not a lot of places are going to be open on February 14th for a lot of people in the world, unfortunately. So people want to even be able to stay in and do activities besides watching Netflix, right? Like I said, it's just basic Sudoku, and then you have like cute little heart designs everywhere, and it's considered a Valentine's Day themed Sudoku book. Bam, super easy. You can come up with these in literally a few hours or a few days if you want to really take your time. Let's keep looking. I found this one really cute too. So this one is an adult Valentine's Day themed coloring book. It's got 30 pages, and yeah, they're just a bunch of cute little like animal couples. Let's check it out. I hope you guys are getting ideas. I hope you're writing things down. There's no excuse not to have a Valentine's Day themed book out. If you're trying to make some passive income right now, this is quick and easy. Can we see inside? They don't really let us see inside too much. But you can see the back. You get an idea. And I'll show you guys where you can find similar designs. At the end of this video, I'll show you guys. There's also Valentine's Day game books. So I found this to be really cool too. This is a Valentine's Day book for children. Like I said, people are looking for just ways of spending time with loved ones. It doesn't have to be a romantic partner. So this is a game book for 2 to 5 years olds. And when you look inside, it's an I Spy book. I don't think people really show the inside of I Spy books too much, to be honest. So I don't think we're going to get to see inside. But I don't think we're going to get to see inside, unfortunately. Yeah, no, they're not showing us. That's okay. But you get the idea. And let's see if I found any more. Oh yeah, I found this to be really cool too. This is a, like, do you know your wife / husband gift set? So basically they're like couples activity books with quizzes inside. So you'd ask, like in the books, you would write questions that a husband would have to ask their wife, or the wife would have to ask their husband. So they have 200 questions in these books. You could create a book too if you wanted to. You could create a book for LGBT couples, because I don't see that option here. You could create a book with more questions. You could create a book with better questions. Be creative. That's the thing. So there you go. Those are some Valentine's Day low content book ideas. And I'll show you guys where you can find some books like these. I told you guys I was a fan of Creative Fabrica, and that's because they have like almost everything you could wish for. You type it into the search bar and sure enough, they're going to have something that you need. Creative Fabrica is a wonderful place for low content book resources. You can find, and even higher content book resources too, if you're looking for like fonts and stuff like that. And a lot of it, or I think all of it, is commercial licensed, meaning you download it, you can put it in a book and sell it right away, or you can put on a shirt if you're doing print on demand, but we're doing books here, so let's stick to books. I typed in Valentine's Day coloring pages, and look how many results it gave me already. 323 pages. You've got really intricate pages too. And they tend to come in bundles, so you're not just downloading one page. Most of the time you're buying like quite a few pages, which is perfect for books. A lot of coloring books, they seem to have like 30 pictures at least, 30 pages at least. And so you can easily find 30 pages among these bundles. They even have like heart mandalas. Oh, that's so cute. Abstract Valentine's Day coloring book sheets. Yeah, go through them. This site does need a subscription. I think it's $29.99 a month, but I've told you in the course that all you really need to do is just get it one time, get a subscription for one single month, download all the sheets you need, and then unsubscribe. And you have everything you need. Boom. Start uploading books to Amazon. Anyways, I hope that this gave you guys some ideas, and I hope that your publishing journey is going well. We really hope that you are taking advantage of this time, especially if you're home, especially if you have more time on your hands because of the pandemic. Like, you should be making money on the daily with passive income. Anyway, hope that helped. I'm going to wrap this video up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, if you got some value out of it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we're on our way to 1K, and we could definitely use your help. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys. Take care.